Hello guys, Shadler Tech again come with another video. Today we will be going to see how to download Office Professional version 2019 and simply use it at free of cost. So let's begin. First of all, you need to disable your antivirus and then follow step-by-step process. So first of all, I will show how to disable your antivirus in your PC. You have to open your setting PC and then go in Windows security option. Select virus and threat protection. Here you have to click on manage setting. You have to off this real-time protection as well as cloud delivery protection and close it. Here we will be going to start the installation of Office 2019. I have given the link in the description. You can download it. Download this zip file from there. After downloading, you have to unzip it and check it for setup file. So let's unzip it. It will take some time as size of file is 3.5 GB. As the installation completed, click on the second link given in the description box and you will be able to download this notepad file. After downloading, keep it in one folder. I will show you how to use this file for cracking Office 2019 Pro Plus. So here we will be start. First of all, click on this setup file. If this setup file is not opening, then click on this start. As you click on this start, the command prompt will be open and here the process of installing will be started. Just wait for a moment, it will complete it soon. And then we will be going to crack it by using our script. Let's check. Now you have to open this file and save it on desktop. Save it as windows.cmd. I have already saved it. You can see that here it is. Right click on this and run as administrator. Click on yes. Wait for 2 minutes. it will be activating your Office of 2019. If it will fail in once, not to worry, automatically it will be connecting to the another server, and after successfully cracking of your Office, message will be shown in the terminal like product activation successful. So here you can see that your product activation is successful, and below that they will provide us their blog link. If you want to visit, just click on yes, otherwise directly close it. Now open your Word file. Here it is, Word file. Now open your Word file, create one new Word file. We will create a new. So here you can see that there is not asking anything about to activate your Office. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Now you can again turn on or enable your antivirus. Any script which is used to crack the software will be considered as a virus by PC. That's why we need to do antivirus disable, or we will be do antivirus off. So thank you for watching. If my video helped you, then do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe button. More video will be coming on the topic which is suggested by you in comment section. And if you find any query, please let me know in comment section, so I will try to solve each and every